how to cancel BetterHelp subscription step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your betterhelp.com, or you can get into their application and make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you are logged into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the more icon that you'll be able to see right here, get into your menu, then you'll be able to get into your account settings, right? So after getting into your account settings here, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the option payment settings that you will be able to see there, and then simply tap on payment settings like I said, and then you'll be able to see the option of change plan or cancel membership if you scroll all the way down. So in there, simply tap on change plan or cancel membership, and then you can now follow the prompt in order to turn off your recurring billing. So that is all you need to do, and then from there you'll now successfully be able to cancel your BetterHelp subscription. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.